Jocelyn. Jocelyn. Hold on, he's getting you more. Goodness. You're crazy. You're crazy. Is that yummy? Is that yummy? You're making a big mess. It's a big mess. Oh, what? What? Are you so hungry? Are you so hungry? What? Daddy going slow? Thank you, Daddy. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for these pears. Cross-eyed. Sit up, girlfriend. This isn't relaxing time. Sit up, Mama. Sit up. Sit up, Julie. That's probably enough. She can't finish the whole can on the first time. Oh, done! See, she'll get excited for her bottle.
What's this?
Look at that!
Hey, what's this? Yummy. Oh, yum. You want this? Alright. Come here.
Take off her bib or something. Are you sad? He doesn't fall asleep.
Are you so full?
What's wrong? What's wrong? Are you falling asleep?
Hey. Hey. Oh.
Give me my bottle. Give me my bottle.
Yeah.
Give me my bottle. So weird. Bye, Mom.